Ed Donovan started making hot rod parts in his mother's basement. At that time, there were really no quality parts being made for hot rod stuff. Ed had a really good sense of what quality really needed to be. And then in 1972, he made his first aftermarket aluminum engine block, which was the first one ever produced. He made 2 of them. They went out and ran one, and that following Monday, there were people lined up around the block wanting more of them. And unfortunately, the manufacturing capacity at the time was pretty limited, so it took them a while. My name's Norman Woodruff. I was Ed Donovan's first employee back in 1959 when the company was in Englewood. We're carrying on the tradition that Ed started for us. He gave us a really good infrastructure here. And with the modern equipment and modern programming systems, we're able to keep stepping up the quality constantly and the reliability of our parts. I met Tom Sheeler, who is our Mastercam rep, who is also a racer, and he introduced me to the programming advantages of Mastercam. We got our first seat and started doing our design and programming. And it was such a great thing because you can not only make your engineering drawing, but then you can create a cutter path right off the engineering drawing. And it takes a little learning, but it's well worth it. It's fantastic the way they can make chips in a hurry, and you get phenomenal tool wear. The biggest problem we got right now in roughing out these billet blocks is the chip conveyor won't keep up. Okay, we're making an engine block out of a solid forging, and this new OptiRough system is just phenomenal. This cutter stays engaged. We're using 3 inches of a 3-inch cutter. When we're doing the really heavy-duty roughing, I have to open all the doors in the shop to let the smoke out. This first billet block that we made wound up in Tom Sheeler's dragster, and he won first time out, and that's pretty amazing. But with our care and the Mastercam and the ability to actually simulate the program ahead of time, came out pretty trouble-free. And I'm talking about programs that are, well, like the whole program's probably 1 million lines, and to get them all right the first time that's remarkable.